Today we're in the north side of San Antonio, Texas. Very popular community located near Evans Road and TPC Parkway. This home development not only offers beautiful amenities, a highly rated school district, Northeast ISD, quick access to major highways such as Loop 1604 and 281, and not only that, right now you have the ability to get into this community with lower interest rates as low as 3.99 fixed rates on government loans, paid closing costs, and much more thanks to the builder incentives. We're gonna go over different floor plans, price points, layouts, estimated monthly payments, and much more to show you what this community has to offer for you and your family.
This will be one of the most affordable options in this neighborhood, with payments as low as $2,400.
This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms under 1,600 square feet of living space. Let's check it out. This is gonna be one of the most affordable options in this community. As you can see, it is very well distributed. You are welcomed by this nice open concept with your kitchen, dining room, and living area. Really nice distribution. I like how you can actually see the furniture, so you can see how well and how spacious it feels. This is your kitchen, gas community, and on this side of the house, you're gonna have your primary bedroom. Very spacious. This is actually a king size bed. And of course, a beautiful primary bathroom, dual vanities, walk-in shower, and a very spacious walk-in closet as well, as you can see. Very functional, super spacious, and your payments, as we mentioned, for on a government loan or VA loan, you're gonna be in the low 2000s. More like $2,400 a month to be more accurate. But that's gonna depend on a lot of factors, such as credit, current incentives. So make sure to reach out to know what the current incentives are, depending on when you see this video. But as you can see, this is a really good option if you're looking for a single-story home, low maintenance, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, affordable payments, and a nice layout. Let's go to the next one.
This is one of the most popular floor plans in the midpoint range, with payments as low as $2,600.
Very popular floor plan, 2-story home. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms under 2,300 square feet of living space. Let's go check it out. One of the reasons why people really like this floor plan is because it's got 2 bedrooms downstairs. A lot of people like that because they could have a guest bedroom downstairs. If you have smaller kids, they could be downstairs as well. In addition to that, you have this modern kitchen with granite countertops. You're gonna have the same countertops all throughout the bathrooms as well. It is a gas community. It comes with the stove, microwave, and dishwasher. I can actually help you negotiate for fridge, washer, and dryer, and blinds throughout the house as well. This is gonna be your primary bedroom. Very spacious. You have 2 nice windows, allowing a lot of natural light to come into your bedroom. This is gonna be your primary bathroom with 2 sinks. This is gonna be your standing shower and a good sized walk-in closet as well. We have 9-foot ceilings all throughout the first level, which makes the rooms and space feel a little bigger. Let's go outside. I wanna show you your backyard. Like I said, whenever you have 2-story homes, you tend to have a bigger and nicer yard because you're building up instead of building all the way to the back. These homes come with full irrigation from back and sides. You also have a covered patio, perfect for your grills, for furniture. So keep that in mind. Let's go back inside. As you can see, we have your kitchen, dining, and living room area. Before we go upstairs, I want to show you the other bedroom that we have over here. Really good sized bedroom. Another thing that comes with 2-story homes is that the bedrooms tend to be a little bigger as well. This is gonna be your laundry area, full-size bathroom for your guest and for this bedroom. And this is why this floor plan is so popular, because you have 2 bedrooms downstairs, 3 full bathrooms, and as you walk up to the second level, you have this huge loft area, which could be a second living room. And you're gonna have 2 additional bedrooms and another full bathroom. Perfect for big families. As you can see, there's a lot of storage throughout. lots of closet space, and this is gonna be your third bedroom. Very good size closet. It comes with blinds throughout the house, and this is gonna be your final fourth bedroom with another generous closet. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Let's go to the next one. It's one of the biggest floor plans in this community. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms under 3,000 square feet of living space, and payments start in the low 3,000s. Let's check it out. As you can see, we're moving up in price, space, and convenience. You have 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, almost 3,000 square feet of living space on a corner lot. A lot of these floor plans and a lot of these lot sizes are gonna vary depending on the location. What I like about this community is that you're able to find corner lots, cul-de-sacs, oversized lots. So make sure to reach out to get the latest inventory sheet. We're happy to find oversized lots for you if that's what you're looking for. Let's look at your walk-in closet. Again, really good sized closet. It could be its own bedroom if you think about it. Dual vanities, walk-in shower, and a huge primary bedroom with a fan, 2 windows. And as soon as you walk out, you're able to see your living room, kitchen, and dining area. Let's go look at your backyard again. Nice covered patio, huge backyard, perfect for kids, for your pets. It comes with full irrigation, lots of natural light coming in. There's plenty of windows all throughout this area. White kitchen cabinets, a lot of people like that. The flooring is different. I don't know if you noticed that. It's a little nicer on this collection. And here's the space for your laundry, which makes it really convenient, so that way you don't have to go up and down the stairs. Your primary bedroom is downstairs, and you have this additional secondary bedroom with a full bathroom, just like the other house that we saw. Very convenient if you have visitors, if you have a teenager who wants privacy, or if you have smaller kids and you want to hear what they're doing, they could use that bedroom downstairs. Let's go upstairs. As you can see, this house is very spacious. We have almost 3,000 square feet of living space. And in addition to the 5 bedrooms, you have this nice loft area. It could be a second living area upstairs. You have another full-size bathroom. Lots of counter space, as you can see. And 3 additional bedrooms. Really good size. You can fit king-size beds in all of these bedrooms. So keep that in mind. If you're looking for space and convenience, this is a really good option for you and your family. As you can see, this community has a lot of floor plans to choose from, so take advantage while the builder is here, because they're giving you the low rates, the paid closing cost, this beautiful amenity center, and a great school district. So if you want more information, look at the video description here below. I'm happy to answer any questions. My name is Victor Solar, your Texas Realtor. Let's find your new home.